Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft Santa. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft Santa, we're going to begin right here. So I want to begin by drawing the nose. So to do that, we're just going to make a little rectangle shape right here on our paper. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up on each side. Then I'm going to make a long rectangle shape coming out of each side here for the eyes. Then we're going to make a little line that comes down, and we just want to color this in. Now after this, we're going to draw the eyebrows. So to do this, we're going to make a rectangle shape above each eye. So we're just going to make it a little bit longer than the eye. So we're just going to draw a little rectangle shape above each eye. Now, starting here, right by the nose, we're going to make the beard. So to do this, we're going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come down and in. And same thing over here. We go out, down, and then in. When we make a line that goes down, it's going to go over and up. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line right across the top. And I'm going to draw a line that comes down here on each side for the head. Starting here, we're going to make a little diagonal line on each side. And then let's draw another little diagonal line that comes in just a little bit. And then I'm going to add a little triangle shape on each one. Then just draw a little line to connect it. Now right here, you can see this line on the top of the head is a little bit longer than the head. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw two lines on each side. And then let's connect it with a line across. Now for the top of the hat, let's make a rectangle that's not quite as long as this first one. And then we'll make another one that's a little bit smaller. Now at the top, let's put a nice big square for the top of the hat. Now starting here, let's make the arms. So to do that, let's draw a line that comes out, and we'll do that on the other side as well. Nice long diagonal line. We want to draw a line that's going to come down, and another one that's going to come down. Draw a line that comes down. Then we just want to bring it all the way back to the beard. You also want to draw a line that comes across on each side, or each corner. Then just connect them. Next we'll draw a line that comes down and in. And I'll do the same thing over here, draw a line that comes down and in. I'm going to make a line that goes down and then over, and another one down and over. Do the same thing here, we go down, then we go over. You want to come down, and then over. And that'll be like the little cuff, so it'll go hand, little white cuff, and then the red sleeve. Now we want to make the body. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a line that comes down. It's going to go over and up. And then right here, we're going to draw two little lines that come down with a little line right down the middle. We're going to make this line come down, over, and then up for the belt. We're going to draw two lines that come down. And then right at the bottom here, let's make a little rectangle shape. Then I'm going to draw another one right underneath here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and up. And another one here. It's going to go down, over, and then we'll just bring it up. Then we're going to make another long line right across here at the top. Then starting here, we're just going to draw a line across for his boots. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Minecraft Santa. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.